This is a tremendous showcase for the industry, and it's an opportunity for somebody like myself to see some of the very latest technological issues, inventions, innovations that are being developed, ultimately all for the customer's benefit. And that's what the whole industry is about. It's about serving the customer better. And there is no better place to come than somewhere like this to really see what's going on, what manufacturers are doing, where they're taking their product over the next 2 to 3 years, so we know how to take our product, the bus on the street, and advance that for the customer. One of the things, not a product as such, that stood out, is the real enthusiasm in the show. There's a real buzz about the place. People are optimistic. Yes, we're going through very hard times as an industry. The recession, public funding cuts, but there's still the real belief that the bus is the answer to so much of our people's lifestyles, and there's a real place for the bus going forward. And that, I think, comes through whether it's the major bus manufacturers or the smaller suppliers. They really believe this is an industry they want to be in. And so we are seeing some really groundbreaking ventures, vehicle design, particularly the interiors have struck me this year. I think there's a lot more thought going into the interiors, which is so important. It's not just how the bus looks as it comes along the street, it's the experience that people have when they're actually sitting on it. There's so much on the ticketing side going on, which is great to see, customer information and all the complicated bits on the bonnet. There's absolutely everything here that makes the bus product. I was talking to one of the manufacturers a few moments ago about how they're advancing the electric bus as something which I believe really need to get into and understand and get the charging correct and get the pricing models and the leasing costs and so forth right, so we can really push this technology. It's really good, and to see all the manufacturers really focused on this and their suppliers behind the scenes is really powerful and bodes well for the future.